Businesses reopened over the weekend in Texas, but a lot of people still don't feel comfortable leaving the house. Even though our health is top of mind right now, most doctors say they've seen patient visits cut in half or worse. A local pediatrician explained to KXAN's Tom Miller that his office had to make major cuts just to stay open.
Within weeks of the first reported coronavirus cases in Travis County, Austin's Bean Sprout Pediatrics says in-person visits dropped as much as 70%.
We had to get creative about what we were doing in terms of pay, in terms of hours, in terms of contracts, and that's difficult.
Pediatrician Brian Temple says he and his partner cut their own salaries by 50%. Other doctors in the practice took a 30% cut.
The medical aspect is what I'm worried about with the increasing number of missed vaccines.
Temple is among the 75% of Travis County doctors who say they've taken a significant pay cut. Texas Medical Association President Dr. Diana Feit says it's part of a statewide trend. Why are people not going to the doctor?
People have been very afraid of catching coronavirus, including the personnel that work in doctors' offices and the physicians themselves. So a lot of them essentially had to shut down.
A recent survey of TMA doctors found more than a quarter reported practice revenue dropping from between 76 and 100%. That same survey found 68% had their hours reduced. Temple says it's important for parents to start bringing their kids back.
We're safe, and every doctor's office I know, way cleaner than any grocery store, probably even our cars, probably our houses. We do a really good job.
Encouraging steps to keep kids healthy and fend off any secondary impacts of the coronavirus. In Austin, Tom Miller, KXAN News.
And the survey also found that only 6% of doctors have been furloughed or laid off. Temple and his partner are still taking 30% pay cuts. As more patients return to the office, the other doctors are back to their full salaries.